Hi everyone, my name is Nata Dutkina and I'm a PhD student at Yale University. I'm part of chemistry department and I'm also part of Chemical Biology Institute at West Campus. I'm part of Jason Crawford research group and my research involves the field of immunometabolism. Research for me is that it's always the sense of discovery and observation. So when you are working in the lab, you can see the color changes of the reactions, you can see bacteria that are growing on the plate, and you're kind of the first person to observe these changes. And even more importantly, when you make some observation that lead to discoveries, some new insights in the field, it's even more thrilling because again, you and your coworkers, you're the first line of this discovery and investigation. So there's always this excitement and direct link between you and your experiments. I chose to share Khan Academy resource because it's very comprehensive. There are a lot of subjects that are covered, and you can find it by different grades, and also they cover some material for college preparation such as SAT exam, and also for medical school such as MCAT. So it's well organized in terms of amount of subjects that are covered, and also you can find material for pretty much every grade and every kind of stage of education. Master Organic Chemistry is a website that I would advise for maybe high school students who take AP Chemistry and they cover organic chemistry, or college students taking organic chemistry. It's kind of focused more on chemistry and organic chemistry. However, the good part about it is that again, it's free and there's a lot of kind of handouts and explanations for every topic covered in organic, like typical organic chemistry class. ChemTube is kind of a version of YouTube for chemists in the way that it provides a three-dimensional view of a lot of molecules and also a lot of concepts like orbitals, which basically form the bonds between molecules. And they also provide reactions, so you can pretty much there's a window that shows a particular reaction, and then on the right side there's a little bit of overview of that reaction. And it's interactive in a way that you can click on separate parts of the reaction, and the window will show you how the transformation happens in the molecules. For me, I was really worried about exams and doing well and always kind of feeling that pressure, and sometimes that can work against you because then you don't really focus on the material itself, you just focus on how to get from A to B. And I think the important part in education is really learning the process, how you get to A and B, why you're getting to A and B, what you can personally contribute to that. And I think that it's also important to be able kind of to look at the material and see if you have any more questions. You can reach out to your teachers and professors, and they're always able to kind of elaborate more. And for me, I always learn a lot from the conversations with my teachers. So I think nowadays when there's so many online resources and also just access to books and different videos, I think it's possible to just go even beyond the material that's covered in your typical textbook material and see if you can find something exciting for yourself.